In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an indicator in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to effectively use indicators can significantly enhance your trading strategy. So let's dive right in and explore how you can add these valuable tools to your TradingView charts. Firstly, you'll want to make sure you've got your chart open in TradingView. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once your chart is in front of you, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the Indicators and Strategies button. It's represented by a microscope icon and is conveniently situated in the top toolbar of the TradingView interface. Clicking it is going to open up a whole world of useful analytical tools, so go ahead and give that button a press. After clicking, you'll be greeted by a search box. This is where you can type in the name of the indicator you wish to add. TradingView provides a wide array of indicators, so whether you're looking for something classic like the Relative Strength Index, commonly known as RSI, or something a bit more advanced like the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, abbreviated to MACD, you'll find it here. Another popular choice is the Volume Weighted Average Price, also known as VWAP. Whatever your choice, start typing its name into the search box. TradingView will offer you suggestions as you type, making it quick and straightforward to find the exact tool you need. Once you've typed in the desired indicator, look through the list of results that appear below the search box. When you spot your preferred indicator, simply click on it. It's as simple as that. A single click will instantly add the indicator to your chart, allowing you to visualize and analyze it along with your current data. Now, depending on the type of indicator, it will either appear overlaid directly on your existing chart, like moving averages typically do, or it might pop up in its own new pane below the main chart area, as is common with oscillators like RSI or MACD. This setup is designed to maximize clarity and keep your chart easy to read at all times. Once added, you'll notice that the name of the indicator will be listed in the legend just above the chart. This feature is super helpful, especially if you're working with multiple indicators at once, as it keeps track of each one for easy reference. And that's it. You've successfully added an indicator to your TradingView chart. From this point on, you can adjust the settings of the indicator if needed, and use it to support your trading analysis. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.